Hello, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Radhika. I'm the founding growth marketer at TestZeus. Excited sessions since morning. Glad Magicball hosted this event. So it's great to be here, amongst the brightest minds, some of the brightest minds out there. And I'm excited to show you what we've been building at TestZeus. But before that, I have a question for you all. So how many of us would like to sit in an airplane whose software is wipe coded? Anyone? Yeah. So, but so today we are at a point in software where coders and teams can generate code faster than ever before, right? But there is still something which is slowing us all down, and that is trust. Can I trust that the product actually works? Can I trust that what looked fine in staging won't actually fail in prod? Or if there's a release, it won't break something critical happening. That's what TestZeus is built to solve. TestZeus is an AI agentic software testing platform specializing for the Salesforce testing currently. So now directly we go into the product and see TestZeus in action. We are covering the entire testing coverage, like we cover all the test cases with UI, API, accessibility, security, and so on and so forth, visual validations, and we also do B2B SaaS enterprise agent force testing as well. I will just show you the product in action as of now. So this is our dashboard. And so we believe that good testing starts with good test data. So let's say we name it as test 11. Over here, whatever product requirements you have, right? Let's say any Jira stories, videos, images, screenshots, or any, let's say, long format PRDs as well. You can just upload on the platform, and our platform will help you create all the test cases based on the configurations you've provided. This is the test data part. And then we support also, the best part of our platform is, it is purely natural language. So last year, we were at an international conference named as Dreamforce, which is the Salesforce flagship conference. And over there, somebody ran like a Thai test case or a Japanese test case, and it was running. This was the test data part. And then we have the test runs. I will show you quickly. So for any test creation, test journey, it's like, the first part is the test creation. Then we have the test execution. And then we have the test reporting, which is the agentic reporting for us. We covered the test data. Then I'll show you. So what I did today is, before coming over here, I wrote like a simple test for a Magicball event, which is today. I just told the agent, search for TestZeus on Magicball website. I hope we all are present on the website for the demo sessions. So I thought I'll just write it. If you can see, right, this is all plain English natural language, right? Very simple to learn. And on this, when we are on this test case, we can just, over here you can see there's environment test data. I haven't customized anything as of now, just a simple test case. And then we click on live test. Meanwhile, it's running. I had already run it in the morning, so I can show you. This is the entire test run, how we have it. So when it's running, what the agent does is, it will create an execution plan. If you see on the right-hand side, yeah, this guy. So, the agent will make all the execution plan steps, navigate to the Magicball dev on homepage, wait for the homepage to load, and verify the main page, and so on and so forth. Then what it does is, based on the execution plan it has made, it will run like a small browser inside our platform. So we have like a small browser within the platform, which will help you to run the entire flow of the execution plan. We also capture like all the screenshots, images, documents, all of that, what the agent encounters while running this browser session. Over here, you can see the execution timeline while the agent is running, all the steps with all the proofs over here. When you scroll it down below, you can see this browser window is running, right? At the bottom, we also capture all the consoles, network logs, and any errors which the agent encounters while running this browser session. You can capture all of it over here as well. This was the second part, that is the test execution. And then we have like agentic reporting. So let's say we go to reports, and this is the report platform. We also have like a scheduler option, what our managers want to see. Unlike other testing platforms, they give you like an entire dump of the, what our test cases are run. But that is not what our managers would like to see, right? They would just want to see the crest of, what just happened. So we have just gone a step ahead. We give like an AI summary the agent provides that what happened. We can just have like a live report. I'll just show it to you guys. Okay, one of it is still running. But yeah, so we can, schedule reports as well. And the live reports, which can be downloaded in any file, any file format, which can be PDF, CSV, any format, and can be shared with your managers. If you give us your email IDs, we can also configure it on the platform. So yeah, this was a simple, demo of our platform. We also are present at booth I03, and happy to take any questions, and any questions you have for the product, try it out, just feel free to drop by our booth. It is I03. Our team is here. Would love you guys to try it out the product, and any feedbacks welcome. We are very happy to accommodate. This is the integrations, what we all support. And then the last, not the least, we are also hiring, so feel free to scan this code and refer all your friends and families if you want to do that. That's about me. Thank you so much for being a lovely audience. Yeah. Have a good day.